Okay, moving on. So we have some trinomials that are equal to 0. Well, what can we do? Well, if we rewrite them as binomials, then we can do what we just got done doing, okay? So we have to use our factoring skills. What do you mean factoring skills? This is a basic trinomial. That means this used to be a binomial. Whoops, excuse me, that should be an x. This used to be two binomials where it was x plus something and x plus something. How do I know? Because remember, trying to find the magic numbers, you got to multiply to this dude and then add to that dude, okay? So if you break down 56, you gotta find numbers that multiply to 56, but yet add to 15. So if you break down 56, you can find them pretty quick. 56, I'm pretty sure, can be made by 7 times 8. 7 plus 8 makes 15. So here's your magic numbers, friends, 7 and 8. So this used to be x plus 7 and x plus 8. Remember the shortcut. If it's a plain variable with a number, plain variable with a number, then your solutions are just gonna be opposite, okay? So our solutions, opposite of plus 7, x is going to equal negative 7. That's going to be one of our solutions. And then opposite of plus 8 is going to be x equals a negative 8. Now notice we even have a faster shortcut. When you find your magic numbers, okay, when you're trying to find the two numbers that multiply to 56 and then add to 15, you can bypass all of this and you can go right to the answers. So when you find your magic numbers, when you're doing your factoring tricks, the opposite magic numbers, the evil magic numbers, if you will, the evil twins, whatever you want to say, the opposites will be your answers. So find the magic numbers, make them opposite, and you can skip all of that noise right there. So if you look at the next one, I'm going to use that really quick, okay? So I got to find numbers that multiply to a negative 18 and yet add to 7. So if I break 18 down, let's see, 3 and 6, I don't think I can make a 7. Let's see, 1 and 18, I don't think so. I think a 9 and a 2 are probably going to work pretty good. Now if I need to have a negative 18 and add to 7, I probably need to make the 2 negative. Okay, again, just mental math, okay? 9 times negative 2 makes you. 9 minus 2 or plus a negative 2 makes you. Okay, so those are my magic numbers. Opposites will be my solutions. I'm going to guess x equals a negative 9, and then x equals 2. Boom, just like that. So factoring is actually really easy. You find the magic numbers, you make them opposite, boom, you have your solutions in no time. What do you mean solutions? If you plug these numbers back in, they're actually going to equal 0. So negative 9 squared plus that minus that should get 0. 2 squared plus that minus that should get you 0. Again, fun fact, if you graph this equation, I bet you would hit negative 7 and negative 8. I bet you would hit negative 9 and you would hit 2. Okay, that's it. They go really fast, and that's all you need to go.